Section 4. A symphony of technology innovation meets performance. Let's talk tech. Because AMG isn't just about brute force. These cars are rolling test beds for some of the most advanced automotive technology on the planet. We're talking about systems so sophisticated they'd make a NASA engineer weep with envy. Take the suspension, for example. AMG cars don't just absorb bumps in the road, they practically glide over them. They use adaptive suspension systems that adjust to the road conditions in real time. It's like having a magic carpet that can handle corners at 100 miles per hour. And then there's the gearbox. These things shift faster than you can blink. We're talking about dual-clutch transmissions that swap gears with lightning speed. It's like having a telepathic connection with the car. You think, and it shifts. And don't even get me started on the brakes. These things are designed to stop a runaway train. Massive discs and calipers provide fade-free stopping power. It's reassuring to know you can rein in all that power when you need to. Section 5, Beyond Leather and Luxury, the AMG Interior Experience. Okay, so we've talked about the engine, the design, the tech, but what's it actually like to sit inside an AMG? Well, imagine strapping yourself into the cockpit of a fighter jet. Then add a healthy dose of luxury and refinement. That's the AMG experience. You're surrounded by high-quality materials. Leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, it's a sensory overload. The seats are sculpted to hold you snugly in place during high-speed cornering. And the steering wheel? It's a work of art. Perfectly sized, perfectly weighted, and covered in the softest leather known to man. But it's not all about sportiness. AMG cars are also packed with creature comforts. You've got heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system that'll make your favorite tunes sound epic. And of course, you've got all the latest tech, like a massive infotainment screen, a head-up display, and enough driver assistance systems to make you feel like you're driving in the future.